Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the IICS Combo batch. So, so many of the people not joined the demo session since they already registered. Okay, so though many people know what is our IICS Combo. So those who are not having idea, you can go through. Many of you, I hope many of you know what is IICS Combo Training. Okay, IICS Combo Training. Why? Okay, so many of you heard about IICS training, right? You know what is Informatica IICS training. But what is this combo? Combo means so we are going to take multiple skills in the same batch, same session. Okay. So what is the intention? What is the purpose? Why we have to do different skills in the same session, right? Or same batch. So the behind reason is we don't want to take different batches for similar topic. Okay. So as per me or generally Informatica PowerCenter or Informatica IICS or SQL is having so many topics or similar topics. Okay. So we don't want to make a separate session and it will have separate fees and a separate time to learn, right? So that we have to avoid, right? So that will be more useful for the candidates, for the students, right? Assume that if you're joining Informatica Power Center training and you are paying some fees for that, it will take some 1.5 months to 2 months. And after that, you will find that you will not have much calls for Informatica Power Center for the current scenario, right? And again, you will you will plan to learn IICS since you are not getting much calls in the Informatica Power Center. Okay. So this is not now, even before 6 months, 1 year itself, before also, the same was the scenario. That's why I have not taken any session only on IICS. Okay. So I understood the scenario. Based on that, we don't want to waste the time and the money of the students. Okay. So let us combine everything, all the sessions. Okay. All the sessions I can able to definitely I can able to combine, right? So I think it is a I think nobody is doing. Maybe if somebody is doing, maybe I don't know. Okay, but I felt very much comfortable and very much happy to do this kind of a session to avoid the to save the time of the students, to save the fees of the students, and this is very much important to learn parallelly. Okay, for example, you take any session like rank. Many of you know what is Informatica, I hope. Even if you don't know, I will explain what is Informatica, what is ETL, what is the basics, and what is the scenario which is creating to create a ETL, why ETL, right? All this is very basic. Many of you, I hope, know, but still I will give a overview on everything, right? Let us see that first of all, why we are going through the ETL, why it is very much demand even now, even for tomorrow, right? Why it is mandatory, why industry cannot avoid ETL job, okay? How the ETL developer is very important even tomorrow, okay? Even in future also, today or tomorrow, whatever, right? So ETL is very important. Without ETL process, we cannot do any reportings. Okay. So what is reportings? What is data? We might know what is data analytics, and depending upon that only many of the companies are completely depending on that. So Informatica Power Center, you might be heard. Informatica Power Center is a most important and a highly demanding ETL tool in the market. But recently we see that so many other transitions, right? Like we have so many, I think before some 4 5 years, we seen the Azure, right? Azure, Talent, so many other ETL tools are there in the market. So that is also, it is giving with a less cost, okay? So that the companies are moved to that also, splitted in that way. Then Informatica started the cloud also. Previously, it was a on-premises ETL tool. Okay, on-premises ETL tool. That was the Informatica PowerCenter. Later, they started the cloud. Okay, so Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services or IDMC, right? So differences. What is the differences if you ask in our training? Okay, so we are, as I already told, IICS or IDMC cloud or SQL, right? And Informatica PowerCenter, we are but it is very important. You may say that I know already Informatica PowerCenter. Why I have to learn once again Informatica PowerCenter, right? Yes, it is important because we are going to bring some important topics even in the Informatica PowerCenter, because most of the companies, they are depending upon both, because everyone is migrating from Informatica PowerCenter to IICS. Okay, Informatica PowerCenter, it's very important. They are migrating from Informatica PowerCenter to IICS. So definitely it is very, very important. You should have to get a revision on Informatica PowerCenter so that how to do the migration, bulk mappings, right? We are going to bring that scenario also, right? Before that, let me introduce myself, right? Myself, Hari. I have 14 plus years of experience, Azure and different ETL tools also. Okay. So Informatica, Talent, all these projects I have worked in my real time, right? So all these things I can able to, so that's why I started this. So we are going to start even the Azure also. Okay. If some of the Informatica developers, they think that I want to move for some other ETL tool or some other integration tool, yes, you can go through that as well. Okay, that is also. So this session we are doing with IICS Combo Training. Of course, in this training also I will show the glimpse of Azure. Even in Azure training also I will show the comparison with Informatica, right? Since you know something, if I compare a new thing with that, definitely you can able to learn very fast, right? So that is the difference in our training. We are going to not take, we are taking one topic only using that topic. So that is not going to work out in the real time. The real time, we have to be very careful to deal with all the things. It's not simply that learning something and moving. Okay, we have to utilize it. We have to use it in the real time. Okay, so it has to be you, when you get a job, you should not feel like fear. Okay, you should feel very much comfortable. Okay, this is what I learned, right? Okay, this is what the platform, right? I seen in the training, right? So that scenario we have to bring. So I'm not muting anyone, but mute yourself. Okay, please mute yourself. So within some half an hour, I will unmute. Everyone can ask questions. Okay. Since I have already done one demo sessions, those people haven't joined. Okay. So even if some of your some of your friends or relatives, anyone, please refer here. Okay. So simply, I don't want to tell everything in the market. In the market, many people are doing separate batch for everything. Okay. SQL separately, Informatica PowerCenter separately, IICS separately, even IICS CDI separately, CI separately, all this and all. It's simply, I don't want to tell that. Okay. That you can understand. But we are not doing that. These all are not very much different subjects. All are same only. I don't want to consider this also a separate batch at all. Okay. All this is same only. I don't want to take CDI separately, CI separately, CDI separate fees, CAI separate fees. No. I will combine everything. Whatever is needed for your real time, definitely I will bring here. Okay. So we are having totally 45 to 50 sessions. Okay. Every session we will go in a parallel way. Parallel way means, for example, as I already told, today if I'm going through the joins or aggregation or any transmission, definitely the same scenario will be there in the SQL, same scenario will be in the Informatica PowerCenter, same scenario in the CAI. Yeah, I will relate the CAI also. CDI, okay, mainly. CI also will be there, okay. Wherever there is a concept for CI, of course, we will have the CI sessions up to 11 sessions separately will be there, okay. Every session will have 1.5 hours to 2 hours, okay. So we will have morning and evening batch as well, okay. So it will be totally, it will come around more than 85 hours, okay, 85 hours to 90 hours also. So why we have to learn parallelly? We understood that, okay. How it is possible? How you can able to bring everything practically? Yes, is possible. In my session, I'm going to practically show the Informatica PowerCenter. Practically, I will show the IICS Cloud, okay, and along with that, Snowflake also, okay. Snowflake is a most crucial one now, okay. So some of you might be planning to learn Snowflake separately. Yes, you can learn, but I'm going to bring the Snowflake also in this, because even in the Snowflake as well, we will have many scenarios, same scenarios. Even in that also, we are having the same scenarios like join, so many things, okay. So wherever there is a possibility to show, yes, I will show the Snowflake also, so that you will get a complete idea about Snowflake also, okay. So that is why we are calling it as IICS Combo Training, okay. So this is the 7th batch I am running. Every batch I am taking only some 25 to 30 people. Why we have to not take some 100 people and all, okay. We know what is marketing. I can able to gather a lot of people here. Yes, that is very easy, okay. Taking some, we are creating a very big webinar and making some 200 people, 300 people, that is not a very big deal. That's very easy, okay. But I am not doing that. Why I'm not doing? It's really not possible to handle all the people, right? Simply giving the training and to, we cannot keep in touch with everyone. I have to mute everyone, right? If I unmute, a lot of people will unmute, and it will be a very big disturbance in the live training. So my thing is, I want to create a quality platform. So we don't want to make a very big, like a very big market here, right? Simply we will learn, we will have the interaction with each and every student. We will check whether how many people are looking for a job. We will check how many people wants to go for the job, how many people we are going to follow. We must have a pakka, clear track on everyone. If I take 200 people and all, it is not possible, okay. Even the people who are taking, they are not doing that, okay. Simply giving the training, my job is done, I will go to the next batch, next batch. No. So this is the combo 7, ISS combo batch 7, okay. Till now I have done 6 batches. Every batch we are not taking more than 30 people. Out of this, I will out of the 30 people, whoever is required the job, whoever is coming for, really wants to go for the job, more than 65% of the people have got the job, okay. Some people may be already working, or they may be not very aggressive to go for a new job, but whoever is very much interested to go for a job, yes, definitely I am in the track. I'm keeping them in the track, so they are following us, okay. And what is the difference? One more difference, okay. We will have the mock interview. After the 20th session, okay. After the 20th session, we will have the mock interview. I'll just make a note here. What are the important changes in our training, okay. First, day 1, I will give the all interview question and answers, All interview question and answers I will give day one itself. And now by following this method, how they cannot able to get a job? You can tell me, okay, how it is not possible. So this is how we are achieving this. This is the method we are following, right? Day two, not day two. So the session will go on. The total session will be total sessions will be 45 to 50 days. Okay. And day one, I am going to give interview question and answers. And after the day 20, after the day 20, we will prepare the resume. Okay, resume or Naukri profile and all. Okay. And we will start the mock interview after the day 21. You may ask, how come mock interview before completing the session, right? We are following this method. It is working out very well. That's why I am doing that. Okay. So what I am saying is, no need to complete all the sessions. Just go through the interview questions and answers. You start to attend the live interview. Okay. Not first of all, you attend the mock interview. I will take a mock interview. After the 21st session itself, we will have a mock interview, right? Then from the day 25, from the day 25 session, live interview or real-time interview. Real-time interview you can attend. So these, by attending different batches, I got a conclusion. Yes, we are going in a proper track because it is giving the result also. Day 25, real-time interview, you start attending. Okay. So before, by day 35, you should have completed. At least 4 interviews. Okay. 4 interviews you will complete. 4 to 5 interviews. Right. Then day 40. If you want, I can share some of the people, whatever they get the job in the last batch, in previous batches and all. Okay. Since there are many people are ready to give even the video testimonials also, but I don't want to take others' privacy. I'm not much interested to take the screenshot and taking some video and all. I don't want to take they paid, I given the training, that's it. I don't want to take too much credit from them also. Okay. They don't want to lose their privacy also, right? They want to go for a new job. So they will also feel their privacy. So I don't interfere in that. Okay. You should complete it. 4 to 5 interviews, right? Then by many of the people, at least in a batch, at least 4 or 5 people cracking the interview before 40th session, cracking the interview. It is possible because when you follow this method, if you really hungry, if you want to get the job, okay, always we will have any 24/7 support will be there always. Okay, before 40th session, you will cracking the interview, right? So we will have the crack 24/7 technical support. Anytime you can call us. Okay, we are having the team also for this. Okay, so you can call us anytime. You can take any support. Okay, if you are not able to install, yes, we will install and give. While practicing, okay, we will give the recording also. All the recordings, day-to-day recording also. If you miss the session, you can attend you can go through the recording and you can, if you are finding any difficulty, you can call us at the same time. Of course, we will have the live session also. While seeing the recording, if you are facing any issue, you can call us anytime. We will be there to support you at any time. Even in the 24/7, even in the night time also, if you are practicing at 11:30 in the night, yes, our team will be there to support. Okay. So these features and all nobody is giving. I know very well. Okay. Why we are doing is we have to support. That is what, nothing else. Okay. Then we will have the job support also. Okay. Job support. Yes. We are giving job support for our students for free up to some 4 5 months also. Okay. If they are struggling, if they after getting the job, if they are struggling to work, yes, we are there to support. Okay. So job support, many people are calling for that only most of the time. Okay. So it is a very good experience even for us. Okay. Because even if of course, I am working as a freelance, but I'm getting a lot of different experiences with different projects. Even myself also it is useful. Okay. While giving the job support, if somebody wants to join in that call, yes, I will also allow you. Okay. That is a very good experience. That is a very different experience. Okay. Even if you work in 10 companies, you will not get that much experience. Different companies, different projects, okay, different scenarios, different issues, whatever they are facing, all these things you will get. Okay. We are creating different documents for that, and we are also sharing in the group also. Okay. We already created, we are going to share that also. Okay. So, and also we started the job support portal also. Okay. Job support as well. Okay. If you go to our website, I will show the job support. Yes, just go to our website. So this is our website. So in this, you will have a lot of interview question and answers. Okay. So free interview questions, a lot of interview questions is there. Just click on this interview question and answers. Interview question and answers. Here courses is there. Different courses. Even if you want recorded session, yes, we have all the sessions. IICS Combo, and we are going to start the new batches, Azure Data Engineering and Informatica IICS Combo. That's what we started now. Okay. And CAI session is most important. If you want CAI, yes. If you want recording only sessions, okay, yes, you can self-learning courses. Okay. So this also available. All the courses we will have the 24/7 technical support. That is a very special thing in our this thing. Okay. Interview question and answers. If you click on this, CDI separately is there. If you just move here, CAI also is there. 500 plus interview question and answers. Okay. Again, if you click ADF, scenario based interview questions, ADF, and scenario based interview question even in the CAI, and ADF advanced practical questions answers. Okay. Just you want to click here. It is very much real time we are bringing here. Okay. See here, Azure Data Factory, advanced interview question and answers. Every sessions we have put a lot of effort to create this. Okay. Question and answers. All these questions it is asked in the real time. Same way we are doing for IICS Combo also. Okay. So these interview questions, and we are going to share more lot of documents. That documents will be more useful for you. Okay. So let us complete this basic things, and then I will come back to that. Okay. These are the different. These are the structure we are going to create. Okay. So what is ETL? What is ETL? You might see many companies. This is a very basic thing. Many of you know, but still some of you might not aware of this. Let me go through that as well. Then I will come back with our IICS Combo. What is the different features again? Okay. ETL. What is ETL? Extract, transform, load. You all know, right? So why we have to do that? There is a lot of documents it will create in the real time. Okay. If you do any business while running any business, okay. If you open a hospital, okay, medical related, okay. If you go for a factory, okay, manufacturing consumer durable TV, refrigerator, or anything, right? Or home appliances, consumer durable home appliances, anything you can take. Banking sector, retail, okay, healthcare or insurance, everything, it will generate a lot of documents. It will generate a lot of documents. Each and every document is very important for them for future calculations. Okay. They have to do the predictions, right? Today I have this much. What about tomorrow? So what about the competitors? Okay, for example, you take any company, they will have the competitors. How to deal with that competitor? I am doing one business today. Who are the competitors for me? I have to check, right? Then only I can able to run the show, right? You take anything, Zomato, Swiggy. Zomato is the competitor for Swiggy. Samsung is the competitor for LG because both are same business, right? A small change, whatever it is creating in the Swiggy, it will affect very much in the Zomato, right? So they have to be very much careful day to day data, so that they have to very carefully maintain the data. They have to keep the data somewhere. Okay, to take anything, railway, lot of data will come there. Okay, lot of data they have to maintain because lakhs of people are traveling in the train daily. Okay, they have to maintain all those data. They have to, any business you take, they have to maintain the data. Without data, it's very difficult to run the show. Okay, so that they have to keep the data somewhere. Ultimately, they cannot keep all the data in the data warehousing, right? Some of the data they don't want to keep. In that case, they have to filter some of the data, or they have to rank, they have to aggregate, they have to join. So all these things, it will happen through the ETL tool. ETL tool is very much important for that. Okay. So without this process, nobody can do any business. Okay. For that, ETL is very important. For doing the ETL process, ETL developer is very important. So it cannot be avoided in the market, even for today or tomorrow, whatever. Maybe the features may be changing. The tools may be changing. Today, Informatica Cloud is there. Tomorrow, some other things may be coming. Okay. Maybe some other new ETL tool may be coming by another competitor. That is different. This concept is not going to out of date. Okay. If you are in Informatica today, tomorrow you can go for something else. That is different case. But Informatica or whatever, ETL is mandatory for any business to run the show in a smooth way. Okay. Okay. So you may think, what are the other competitors for ETL for Informatica? Okay. What are the other competitors in the market? Informatica PowerCenter on premises. So usually I consider Informatica PowerCenter as a bachelor degree. If you want to learn Informatica PowerCenter, that is a bachelor degree. And IICS Cloud or IDMC, we can consider this as a master degree. Without completing bachelor degree, you cannot go to master degree. But we are not going to take a separate batch for this. That is the difference in our training. Okay. Parallelly, we can able to handle this. Whatever we are doing today, let us do in both Informatica PowerCenter and IICS SQL, Snowflake. Okay. I thought even to add the Azure Data Factory also in this, but it will become too much, right? It will become very much too. That is not possible. That's why we created a separate Azure Data Factory combo batch. That is different. Okay. Here, so what are the other competitors? Azure Data Factory or ADB, okay, Azure Data Bricks, Talent. This also, Talent also is having like on-premises and also cloud, Ab initio, SAP bots. These are some commonly some popular ETL tools, right? So any company you take, they will have these are the basic thing, many of you know, right? Still, just I will go through this. There will be a OLTP, online transaction processing, online analytical processing, right? So the company, they will have the data daily, they will have their own database or data warehouse in the local itself, right? So that will be the day-to-day activities, whatever it is, it will affect the business. Okay. So that previously it was same only, there was no OLTP, OLAP separately, right? Previously it was same only. But when the data is keep on growing, so they planned like this, okay? Then only the ETL came in the picture, right? ETL came in the picture after that. Previously it was not there. Previously they were doing so many things, it was manually, it was working out, okay? Now, if it is the customers and the products is going in the millions of numbers, they have to do some special plannings, right? So that is how the ETL came in picture to maintain the data, right? So OLTP, online transaction processing, this is the whatever the local that database, right? Then they created all these things: extract, transform, load, ETL, right? Of course, I can give the lot of history about what is ETL, when, who invented Informatica. All these things is there available. It's available in the Google itself. I don't.
I need more.
Yeah, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. I'm not muting everyone because you should have to get the freedom to that, right? So whenever if you are getting any doubt, you can ask. That is how we are doing the session, not simply muting and whatever I'm telling you have to hear. If any doubt, you cannot ask. That should not be there. Okay. So that is what, right? Then here how this process, whatever is there, this ETL process, it is done by ETL developer. Right? After done this ETL developer, we are going to send this to the OLAP. That is what the data warehouse, okay? DW. So this is the data warehouse, DW, okay? Here, after this, it will be sent to the reporting, then it will be sent to the reporting will be sent to the concerns, okay? Maybe it's the customer, maybe it's the company owner, okay? Based on the different scenarios, the data will be sent through different tools. It will be mobile or anything, okay? So ultimately, the purpose is we have to get the reports. To get the reports, I have to keep the data safely somewhere, right? For that, I cannot dump all the data whatever is coming here directly, right? Based on the requirements, based on that, we will do the ETL based on the requirement of the client or customer. So we are doing this ETL process. Here, it will have the data for 10 years data, 50 years data, whatever, right? We have to keep it always. Anytime it may come for a use, right? So that is how the ETL is it's a very crucial and it's very mandatory, right? For example, if you take Lifebuoy or Lux Renault and all, Lifebuoy is the most oldest company. Lifebuoy is the most oldest company, okay? It is more than 100 plus years. Actually, not even 100. As per me, I just checked it is more than 110 years, okay? If you ask all the data they are having, yes, they have to maintain, okay? If it is not required, they will, that is up to them, up to their business, okay? If they understood the scenario, how is going on, previously you might seen the size is very big, like by soap. Now it's become small, but the price is not much changed, right? Previously it was 30 rupees and maybe now 35 rupees. Now only some 5 rupees, 10 rupees changes will be there, but they have to maintain within that only because they have to balance with the competitors. Simply they cannot make 100 rupees today. If I make 100 rupees, there is no sales will be there. Okay, nobody is going to purchase Lifebuoy soap, right? For that, how they are able to calculate that? By using these analytics, okay, data analytics. They are doing that, okay. If I increase even 1 rupee, it will affect crores of rupees for the next month because the competitors are there, right? So that this is how all the products they have to. This is an example. Same only for all the products, okay. Okay, any other questions? Why ETL? Yes.
Yeah, Hari sir.
Yeah. Please.
Sir, yes, sir. While you are extracting the data, actually,
Yeah.
means the engineer is extracting the data. Is the data being washed or compiled or securitized for the effective transfer or not?
Yes. I just shown a demo session. There is a lot of process for this. Just I'm telling in a summary way. Okay, simple way. Why we are doing this? Yes, whenever we get a data, we have to filter it. We have to clean it. Data cleaning process is there. So many things is there. Okay. Then only we are not directly we are not dumping to the data warehouse directly. As you said, all these processes there before.
And sir, these processes are itself done by the ETL engineer.
Yes. ETL engineer is doing this. Not cleaning and all is not doing. For a separate team is there for cleaning and all.
Okay.
Before the ETL, that is there, but I am not showing all these things here. Just a demo session, right? Simply I am summary. But why this ETL is mandatory? The ETL developer is mandatory. That summary I am giving here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Without this process, nobody can do anything. It's very important. Nobody can avoid this, so that you can feel secured about your job. Maybe it is today you are in some company for ETL, Informatica. Tomorrow ETL, something else. But if you are become that skill, then you can learn any ETL tool immediately and you can jump to that job immediately. So that you will be very much secured about your job forever. Yeah. So special features I already explained, learn multiple technologies in one batch. Okay, 2 months only. Within 2 months, we are going to cover all these things. Okay. Somebody may be wondering about this. It is nothing to wonder in this. It's possible. Okay. And it's easy because there is no codings at all, right? Many people are learning Python, Java and all within 2 months. This is not that headache, okay? You are not having codings, you are not having programmings. It's very drag and drop jobs, everything. It's a very simple things. If you learn once all these things, you can work very peacefully. Many Java developers, Python developers are moving to ETL. They want a peaceful job. Every day they cannot able to break the head, right? Simply creating the codes and different scenarios, so many things. Okay. Half of the 50% of the headache is 50% of the effort is less only. If you compare with a software job for the traditional software job. Okay. Traditional software job, they have to break their head daily, right? So they have to create a lot of codings. They have to learn so many things you will learn, but still there will be a lot of things to learn. But of course, even everything will have to learn, even in this also. Okay. Since I also came from those things, I felt very much very easy to handle the job. Okay. So many times, so many developers, they will not have any work. Simply they will be sitting, they will taking the salary. Okay. They are not going to give a lot of pressure and all. They will give some task, they will give some time. Okay. Have to complete, that's all. It's very much easy, right? So that much pressures or tensions, no, any ETL developers or any Informatica developers are not facing. I know very well, okay? Because I'm speaking to many developers daily, okay? So what is the project? What is the scenario? What you're doing with the ETL, okay? So because while coming for the job support, many people are sharing their screen. I can able to understand what is their mindset, how they are working peacefully, how smart they are working. I can understand that. Okay. Since I am also doing the freelance I am doing the job support and I'm taking the trainings. I'm doing the trainings. Okay. Training for different companies, corporate trainings, so that I can able to understand their real time scenario. Previously, I worked as a ETL developer, so that same only always, no big difference, right? Yeah. So API, CI, you may ask what is CI? CI also very important. Okay, we are not going to separate CI session as a separate session. we are going to integrate the same with the daily day-to-day sessions, even CI also. Okay. So CDI data, okay. CDI I can compare with Informatica PowerCenter. Okay. Cloud data integration. One second. Yeah, sorry. So CI or API, Cloud Application Integration. So we are not taking separate batch for this. We are not going to separately charge for this. We are not going to spend separate time for this. It is not at all required. Okay. CAI, CDI, Informatica PowerCenter, SQL, all these things is very, including Snowflake it is very, because if you go to any interview, definitely they will ask questions in the CAI also. Okay. Simply learning CDI, it will not work out. Okay. CAI, CDI, both are important. They will ask question even in the Informatica PowerCenter also. They will ask question even in the SQL also. They will be expecting some knowledge in some cloud databases like Snowflake. They will expecting some questions in the Unix. Okay. Whatever is required for the interview, whatever is required for to work in the real time, we bring everything here. Okay. For example, you might be seen about the Google weather. Okay. If you want to know the weather, it will be popping up right daily in the mobile. It will keep on pop up. Okay. Weather condition. Okay. This is the location, Hyderabad or Bangalore. This is the particular place. This is the degree. I'm going to get the rain today evening or tomorrow. All these things, how it is happening? It is happening through the API. It is happening through the CAI. Okay. So it is happening through the AccuWeather API. AccuWeather API, it is a very popular one. All over the world, they are using the same only, mostly. Even the Google also integrated with AccuWeather API only. Okay. AccuWeather. You can go and Google what is AccuWeather. It is related to the API, one of the popular API for weather related services. Okay. What is the weather for tomorrow, next week, next month, right? They can able to get the data in that. Okay. You might know about Arogya Setu previously when COVID or the Corona issue was there, right? That time they collected all the data. Okay. They want to collect all data from all the countries. How it is happening? Arogya Setu, right? That is also done through the API only. COVID API. Okay, I will show all these things in the where is the link, how we have to do that, how to create the API, how to integrate that data to the database, how we can create a application, everything we will bring here. Okay. Yes. Then we might know daily we are using this GPay and PhonePe and all, right? GPay, PhonePe and banking apps and all is there, right? Retail or banking apps and all is there. That is also working through the API. GPay, PhonePe, any UPI, okay? Google Pay. So they are just connecting with not directly connecting to the database of that particular bank or anything. They will create a mirror between this and that. It will simply show the data, but it will not connect. We cannot access with the data, but whatever you want. Suppose you are asking what is the balance in my account today. Simply, I don't want to go through the bank application. I can simply go through the GPay. Simply go through the PhonePe. PhonePe is a different company. GPay is a different company. And your bank is a different company, right? How it is working out? How they are giving the balance in this? I can able to see the statement. I can able to see the balance on all the services except taking the money. Okay. To take the money, you have to go to the ATM only. That is not possible through our PhonePe or GPay or any banking, right? Except that service, all the services, transferring the money to some other account. Yes. Fingertips, simply we can do that. All these things, key point is API, CAI, that is there in our Informatica tool. Okay, CI is a most important one because in the real time, most of the scenarios they are using for CI only, even in the Informatica also. Okay, that's why it's very much highly demand. If you become the master in the CI, definitely you don't want to worry about your job at all. Definitely you will get plenty of calls, lot of job openings, definitely. Even now, some people are telling, I'm not getting much calls. Why you are not getting calls? You are not mentioned about the CA and whatever the things in your resume. And you are not capable to crack the interview of CAI. If they are asking something about the CAI, if you crack it, they are looking for a candidate. Why they have to lose you, right? If you are a perfect person, if you are a suitable person, why they have to lose you, right? You become that person. You become that person. We will make you that person. Okay, we will give that everything. Okay, yeah. So if you ask about the fees, you don't want to pay the full fees. Okay, we are always doing this only because somebody wants to see what is our training. First of all, let me see how it is. I want to get a taste. Okay, sample, right? If you go for any hotel or anything, I want to make a taste. Okay, what is there in that? Let us taste something. Let me taste and then I will buy. Right? Yes. Let us do that. Pay first of all the payment. After 14 sessions, you can pay the second half of the payment. Even if you completed all the session, if you completed 14 sessions, if you are not interested, you can get the refund. Okay? This policy nobody is following. I know that. Okay? After you attend the 14 sessions, due to some reason, if you don't want to continue, you can get the refund. Simply you attend the 14 sessions, but pay the first half of the payment. What is the fees? Okay, fees structure I will come. Okay, if you refer someone, yes, for that also we are going to give 1,500 for anyone. Okay, that is also is there. Then recording sessions and a lot of all the sessions we will share the recordings. And this batch, what we have done is we are going to give the access for IICS Combo full course for all the sessions, all the people who are joining to us. We are going to give the IICS Combo full course access. IICS Combo full course itself, we are selling for 6,900 rupees separately. Okay, but whoever is whoever is joining for the session, we are going to give the IICS Combo full course. What is that IICS Combo full course? Okay, you can see here in our website, IICS Combo full course. What is this? So it is a whatever the previous batches we have done, we collected the good videos, best videos, and we compiled this IICS Combo full course. It is a we don't call it as a self-learning course, or some people call it as self-paced course, right? It is not a self-paced course. Of course, it is recording. Okay, it is a recorded session. Click here. If you click on this, okay, it is included with IICS Combo full course, SQL Informatica PowerCenter. Whatever the session we are doing, that same only you will get the recording. Even by keeping this, many people cracked the interview. They can able to do that because just if you click on this, get this course, you can give your details, and it will go to the. Okay, yes, thank you. So just click on this, you will get this, right? So this, even if you missed any class, I'm going to share the live session recording separately. I'm going to give this course also separately. Take this course separately. You may ask, what is the difference? Both are same only, no difference. I'm going to take the live session of the same only. Maybe few changes will be there based on the today. If some new update is there, that I will add. Yesterday, some new announcement has come from Informatica, I will add in the live session. That will not be there in this. That's it. That is the difference. Otherwise, it is having 80 plus hours recording. Whatever the batches we have done previously, we compiled good videos in that. All the sessions, not something hiding and all. Okay. All the sessions. We are going to give this course also today. Okay. So get this course immediately. Why we are doing so much? So the purpose should fulfill. Okay. You are looking for a job. Then why you are coming for the training? Your purpose is to learn fast. I want to go for the job. Okay. Yes. That's what we are trying to do that. Okay. We have done, as I already told, every batch out of whoever is required job. Suppose some 15 people are very much aggressive to get the job. Yes. More than 65% of the people got the job before completing the session. Okay. It is happening. That we are doing every batch. Okay. Because we are having the 24/7 support, and I am also available whenever I am in the live session. I will not pick the call, but our team will be there to support you, right? Our team member Hemant will be there. You can call him. Our team member Rakesh will be there. He will be there to support. Okay. And Suguna will be there. She will also support. Okay. Some 3-4 people will be there. We are keep on adding. For job support, we are creating a separate team. Job support we already created. Okay. Every week we are doing at least some 4-5 job supports. We are keep on increasing that. Okay. Job support. For why job support? If you get a job, if you are struggling to work, we are there to support. For our students, we are giving job support for free at least 4-5 months. Okay. Yeah. So then recording sessions, all the sessions we are giving. Okay. If I completed the session today, I will share the recording by today, sometimes tomorrow. Okay. An interview preparation from the day one itself. Parallel and series mappings. What is that parallel and series mapping? Parallel and series mapping means, okay, if I'm doing a step, okay, if I'm doing a step, Informatica, rank, parallelly we will do in the SQL, parallelly we will do in the Informatica PowerCenter, parallelly we will do in the IICS. Okay. Series means what? Completing all the steps in the Informatica PowerCenter, then coming to the IICS. Completing all the steps in the SQL, then coming to the, both will be combined. That is what the parallel and series mapping in the Informatica PowerCenter IICS. Informatica PowerCenter IICS. If you practice like that, you will get a lot of confidence. Okay, I am 100% eligible to get a job. You will not have single percent guilt in your mind. I am not cheating any company. If they take me, they are very much fortunate because I have so much skill. Why I have to worry, right? That should be the confidence you must have. Okay, you should not be like a guilt or somewhere. Okay, I am not much skilled.
No.
Hello. Yeah. Hello. Somebody is speaking, right? So that confidence level is very important. Not only this, you do any job, if you become very strong, the way of your approaching will be very different, right? Of course, it should not become like up to the level of arrogance, right? We have to be humble. Whatever, how much you learn, that much you should become humble. Automatically, you will get that. Okay. So learn more and be humble. You should not worry. You will never worry for anything. Okay. Life, you will be very much secured lifetime about the job or everything in the life. Okay. So we are going to share all these questions and answers, interview question and answers, IICS Cloud, for everything, Informatica PowerCenter, 500 plus interview questions and answers, IICS, and scenario based interview questions. It is free only, we are giving for everyone, but we are sharing some scenario based interview questions specially for our students. Okay. Special 208, 508, like this, we are having scenario based interview questions. This will be shared for you. Okay. So we are not going to mute anyone, right? We will be available for your call anytime, right? So if you ask what are the projects, right? So that is the important thing in the, if you get a job, we are going to show at least 3 projects, real-time projects. So the projects will keep on vary based on the job supports we are getting, the requirements. That also we will add, that also we will show you. We will try to show those scenarios. Okay. Of course, we are not going to show the screenshots or any those videos and all. We should as per the policy, the company policy, we cannot take others' privacy, right? There's a different project of a different company. I can tell that project. Okay, I can show that project. I can demonstrate that in our platform. Okay, this is what the issue. This is how we should resolve. This is how the requirement is there. This is how we are going to solve. This is how we are going to work out, and we are going to solve the issue. Okay. Yesterday night, some 12 o'clock, one person called me. Okay. About some CAI issue. Okay, he is not able to integrate with the CAI while loading the data in the CAI, he is getting some issue. Okay. Just what I did, I asked him to, I just shared my video, CAI one video. He's seen that video and he resolved. I told that after watching this 15 minutes video, if you are not able to solve that issue, then I will be there to support. Right? Simply he's seen the video, he completed everything. So this is how we are doing. Okay. Of course, we are going to support directly also, but you have to get some idea. That's why we share some documents based on the scenario or problems you are facing, right? Every weekend we will have the quiz programs. Okay. So it will be very much interactive and it will be very much easy and it will be very much entertaining for you. Okay. Quiz programs every Saturday we will have. Okay. And if you ask about the batch, we will have the morning and evening batch also. Mock interview after, as I already told, mock interview will be there after 20th session. I will take the mock interview, right? Some of the mock interview videos is there in our YouTube channel also. You can go and see. Okay. Resume preparation also we create. And we will do the SWOT analysis. While taking the mock interview, I will create a SWOT analysis for you. Okay. I can give the complete feedback about you, right? Career analysis, guidance for each individual, experience settings, suggestions. Okay. So where you need to focus, where you have to improve. While after the 20th session, we will have the mock interview. In that itself, I can tell about all these things. Okay. So where you have to focus? Where is your issue? What is the thing you want to avoid while attending the live interview? What is the thing you have to improve to attend the live interview? Just correct that much you correct and you can go to the live interview. But don't expect to crack the interview immediately. Attend some 4-5, simply you attend 4-5 interviews. I will give some tricks how to record that interview. Okay. Recording interview, how it is possible? Yes, it's possible. Just keep the mobile. Other tricks also is there, I will tell you. Okay. Commonly, what we will suggest is 2-3 methods is there, but you cannot record in the laptop itself. Just record through your mobile itself. Okay. Keep the speaker on your laptop and make a voice record. Whatever their questions they're asking, just record everything. Whatever it is automatically will get recorded with your voice also. After completed the interview, sit and note all the questions and see how you answered. Okay. What is the answer, the way of answer, the quality of answer. Okay. Then whether it is correct or wrong, that is one thing, right? After that, you can put all the interview question and answers in the WhatsApp group. Even others also will do the same, right? So it will be very much useful for you, right? I already told this thing and all. After 25 session, you can go for live interview. Start live interview, right? So I can give the strength, weakness, opportunity, threat, overall, how you can manage. Okay. So ultimately, up to 40th session, you should crack the interview. You should be placed in a company. It's possible. Okay. So we are going to support from all the sides, but you should also put something effort. Okay. What is the effort? Please do some practices. I'm not going to dump too much. I will give some exercises for you. Please complete that exercise. Then day to day, if you complete, definitely you can able to achieve your dream job before completing the session. Or even if you are not able to achieve, definitely within some short period you will get the job. Okay. We are going to support you till you get the job. Definitely. Okay. So very aggressive, not aggressive. Some people are very much aggressive, some people are aggressive, some people are not aggressive. Based on that, the result will vary, because I am always very aggressive. I am always very aggressive to get the job for you. Whatever the purpose, you paid some money, you have to get the benefit for that, right? Till that, I cannot sit simply, right? I have to take the aggression for that, right? So guidance to complete the exercises, daily exercises I will share. I'll share the notes. I'll share the documents. I'll share the mapping documents. Okay. By using that mapping documents, you can able to map everything very easily. I'll show some glimpse about our documents. You can see here. We are adding so many documents this batch. So these are the documents we are going to share. Okay. All these documents for you only. So I'll just show some. For example, I'm taking this joiner transmission. Okay. What and all will be there? Exercises will be there first. Okay, just we'll give some exercises. We will also give lot of hints how to complete that exercises. But you have to do the exercise in the SQL, PowerCenter, IICS also. Okay. Some people are completing only in IICS. Okay, that is up to you. If you don't want to do in PowerCenter, that is your wish. Okay. So like this, we'll give a lot of interview question, exercises. Complete the below exercises in PowerCenter and IICS Cloud. Load the students who are from UK and earning stipend more than 5,000. Consider the source and target table as per the below diagram. Okay, this is how we want to create the mapping. Hint also will give. Use either SQ transmission or filter transmission to filter the records. Depends on the scenario for PowerCenter and IICS. Okay. So like this, some exercises for every session. So I joined the, okay, I opened the joiner, right? Okay. Here, what else will be there? So notes, joins in SQL, why we have to do the joins, okay? Rank, mapping document is very important. Mapping documents, we are going to give very well for everything. Day to day for students, okay, here. For example, I'm taking this rank. Here is the mapping document for students. See the mapping document, how it is. So we are going to give like this, okay. So this is how the mapping document will be there. Okay, how to do the mapping? Just see these pictures, create the mapping. That's it. All the steps we given. Even if you don't want to see the video also, even if you miss the live session, using this mapping document, you can do the mapping. Okay, we have put a lot of effort to create all these mapping documents. It's sequence generator, like this all. Okay, for everything like this, you will have the documents. All these things, everything, it is designed in such a way, mapping documents, notes, exercises, everything. Expression, how to do this in the Informatica PowerCenter, right? So like this mapping document will be there for Informatica PowerCenter, IICS, everything, right? And SQL also. Mapping, by using the mapping document, you can do all the scenarios. Exercises also be given for everything. If you complete the exercise, if you are not able to complete the exercise, yes, we will support. Okay, we'll give the hints, or we will support to complete the exercises. Okay, these are some old batch timings. Okay, so now the batch time is changed actually. Okay, previously we were doing the 7 o'clock. Now 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 10:45 or 11. It will be 1.5 hour to 2 hours. Okay, and this is the morning batch, evening batch. It will be 7 to 8:45. 8:45. Same batch only, same IICS combo session only. We are having 2 times. Okay, so either you can go for morning batch or evening batch. That's up to you. Okay. So maximum we are not taking 30 people per batch. That is enough for us. Okay. So I have to interact with everyone. I cannot mute, right? For that quality. Okay. If you ask why we are not muting, after if you get a doubt, okay, you will be stuck with that point, particular point. You will have some doubt in the mind. If I keep on doing my session, you cannot hear about that. Okay, the mind will be stuck with that particular doubt. I have to clear there itself. Correct. Simply, I will go for something else. I will speak something else. There is no point in that. That's why we are taking limited people, right? You have to clear the doubt there itself, because most of the times the same doubt will be there for everyone. It will be useful for everyone, right? Right. So you can clear the doubts there itself. Many of you might seen my demo sessions, right? So these are the things. So any doubt clearings, it will be, you can be open to learn. Okay, you can ask anytime and you can clear there itself, right? Okay, assume if you take 100 people, some 20 people will ask simultaneously, right? What will happen? It will become a very big mess, right? I cannot manage. That's why we are not taking too much people. We are not doing too much marketing and all. This is enough quality. This much is enough for us. Okay. So conclusion, not more than 20 to 30 people per batch. That is enough. So I explained everything here, why I'm stressing on this point deeply. Okay, mass training SQL sessions. Okay, I attended one SQL session also last week. Some webinar I joined. Simply I joined what they are doing, right? What they are doing is they are gathering some 400, 500 people. They are muting everyone. There is no chances for asking question or anything. Okay. Of course, the fees will be less only, but what is the use of learning such courses? There is no point in that, right? There is no question of asking anything. Simply they will talk, we have to hear. That's it. That should not be there. Okay. So choose the institutes properly. Whatever the quality training you will get, there you can learn. Okay. Even if somebody is giving better training in our compared to our training, yes, you can tell me that. Let me also see that how they are doing. We'll also learn from others. Nothing to worry. Okay. I'm not telling I'm the number one trainer, but whatever I'm doing the best. Okay. Best means for the students, whatever is required, definitely I'm doing. I'm giving the SQL, Informatica PowerCenter, IICS, Snowflake, CDI, CAI in same batch. That nobody is doing. As per me, I don't know anybody is giving like that. Okay. Fees, if you ask, I'll come to the fees. Oracle 11G, Snowflake. We are also going to show how to connect with GCP, Salesforce also. Okay. All these things we are going to cover. IICS. So upcoming sessions, that time I was telling, now we started this ADF. In future, we are going to start the talent, SAP bots, SSI also, Power BI, Tableau also. Currently, we are running with IICS Combo Training, and we are going to start the ADF, Azure Data Factory Combo Training. Okay. On 14th, in another 3 days, we are going to start the ADF training. Okay. Supports available. Okay. Complete career guidance for each individual we are going to give separately. A complete training to crack the interview easily. You will get more knowledge than a really working person. Okay. If somebody is working in the real time, don't think that they know everything. Simply they are doing some scenarios daily. Why we are doing, they will not have much idea. Okay. But you will have a better idea than a really working person, really working in the real time, right? So that much knowledge you will get. So the basic things, anybody, if some of your friends or any colleague or anyone, if they completed the bachelor degree or master degree, if they are having at least 1 year experience, they can go for this session. Okay. For freshers, I'm not recommending this IICS combo full course. Okay. Freshers, there is no calls, right? Simply we cannot give the training for freshers and all. Okay. So freshers, they can learn SQL, or freshers, they can join Azure Data Factory, the coming batch. That is okay for freshers, because for freshers, there is calls even for, if you have some good idea in ADF, that is okay. But for Informatica, you must have at least 1 year experience or 2 year experience minimum should be there. Then only some other experience, you take any experience, wherever you worked, yes, you can learn this. Okay. Suggestions for freshers, you can go for campus selection itself might be selected. Otherwise, you can learn some SQL or you can join for our ADF session. ADF is okay for freshers. Okay. Azure Data Factory. That is okay. So here IICS combo, I'm not taking the freshers, simple, right? Software installation. For all the softwares installations, we are having the videos in our YouTube channel, right? We have created the best videos. Just go through that videos. You can able to install, or I will share my installation guide. Using that guide also, you can able to install very easily. Okay. For example, I will show some guides. If you see that guide, you can able to understand. Or I will show from the video itself. In that also, I will, in the description, I have given the guide also. Rishab Informatica Group. Just go through the YouTube channel. Okay, YouTube channel. You will see all the installation videos. How to install IICS IDMC. How to install Oracle. How to install Informatica PowerCenter. How to install Snowflake. Everything will be there. Okay. if you go through this video, this video is the installation video, and you can install Oracle 11G by using this link. Okay. Either you can take from here or you can. So you need to install Informatica PowerCenter. Okay, I am very good in Informatica PowerCenter. I don't want to go through that. I already installed. Then okay, but you should have to learn so many things even in the Informatica PowerCenter also that I will show. Okay, even IICS installation video. Go through this and install it.
स्कूल के बच्चों को सिखाते हो या कंपेटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम सिखाते हो या आर्ट्स लाइक म्यूजिक एंड डांस?
Okay, folder. That folder also you can able to install, right? Go through this and go through the description. So you will have all the video links, okay, where you want to download the security agent. Similarly, for all the videos we are given like that. Even for Oracle, I have shared this Oracle 11G installation. Okay, by using this, just I'm pausing this. Download Oracle 11G easy installation guide. Okay, just go through this. By using this guide also, you don't want to see the video fully, just go through this document given in the description. Just to follow this document, you can able to install. Similar way I given even for Informatica PowerCenter also. Okay, this document and all, it will be very, very easy for you. Even if you click on this, you will find it will redirect to the link where you want to download the software. That also given in the description of the video itself. Okay. So like this, everything made easy. Okay. Okay. I will give some glimpses about Azure also in this session itself. Okay. Although it is not related to Azure, you should have some common idea about the market, right? I will give that. I will give some idea about talent also. Some platforms, some scenarios I will show even in the talent and in the Azure Data Factory. Okay. But our main focus in this batch is IICS Combo Training. That is Informatica PowerCenter, IICS, SQL, Snowflake. This much. And Unix. That's common, right? Okay. If somebody is thinking that my communication is not up to that mark, right? So the communication or English is not a very big barrier or drawback. Okay. If you are very good with the skill, that is enough. Okay. They are not going to see how nicely you're talking the English. They are going to see how nicely you are answering the question up to the point. Whatever they are asking, if you answer that, that is enough. They don't want to bother about your language, the way of speaking and all. Okay. Everyone will have their own style of speaking. Everyone is unique. Nothing to worry about your way of speaking or your anything, right? But you want to understand this concept, you want to answer the question. If they're asking what is rank, you want to say that answer. That's it. In your own way. Okay. So career gap. If you're having career gap, yes, we will support in different way. Okay. If you are having career gap, yes, of course, everyone is doing same only. Experience certificate, right? No other option, because they are without experience, they are not giving job. What shall I do? I cannot sit simply, right? We have the bread and butter. Daily we have to eat something. We have the expenses. We have the family. We have to run the show. You cannot think too much of. Okay, go through the experience certificate. That's all. I will support for that also. We are having the team for that. Okay, we will guide how we have to design your experience certificate, and we will support for that also separately. Okay, nothing to worry. But we have the complete pack to get the job easily for anyone. But the basic thing is you must completed some degree and you must have some at least 1 year experience, some other experience. That is the requirement. Remaining everything we will take care, nothing to worry. Okay. So while attending the sessions, you will create a new mindset, new results you will get definitely. Okay. So not only the Informatica, I will give some personal guidance also for everyone. Okay. If somebody is not able to learn very fast, I will give some practices. I will give some personal advices. How can you able to sharpen their mind? Okay, they can speak to me directly that we are doing daily. Okay. More than the Informatica, we are also speaking so many things. Okay, about how to practice, how to make their mind very strong, how to crack the interview, how to be always confident. Okay, then how to be that learning skill, how to improve. We'll give some, if they want, if they like, we'll give some meditation techniques also. Okay, so that is how I am managing. Okay, I am doing the daily some kind of a practice of meditations. These all are very, very important to survive in the market, because anytime we may face any kind of troubles in our life or in the career life or personal life, we have to balance with everything, right? Not simply doing the job, not only the career life, there is a personal life. For that also we have to balance. For that we have to be very, very strong. Our body should be very strong, our mind should be very strong, right? We have to be healthy, mind level, body level. If you want someone, yes, I'm giving that also. Okay. So the secret of success, how to maintain the mind. Okay. How to remove the negative energies or like negative thoughts. Yes, that also we will have. Okay. Not going to give only Informatica or IICS. Okay. This is a very big complete pack for all the solutions for you. Yes. Okay. So with a good intention, you have to go. That's all. That is important. Okay. Intention should be proper. I am not going to misuse any of the skills whatever I have. Okay, whatever I'm getting today, some if I got some 1 lakh, I have to spend for my family. Give some, if possible, if you like, you can go for some charity. That is your wish. But we should never misuse it. We should never misuse it. Anything, whatever you get, you have to use it properly. That advices and all we will give in the sessions itself. Okay. So how to be deal with the universe, nature or God? Many people are calling in different way, right? So these all are very important, not simply career. Career is a part. 50% is career, remaining is 50%. Everything is important, right? Whatever we are doing, so we are going to give all the hints and ideas also for that. If you like it, you can go through. You can talk to me, even that also. Okay. So what is the language of database? What is the language of database? SQL, right? So all these things I will tell you in the coming session. Okay, these are also some databases, right? Pen drive, previously some notebooks and all we were using, right? CD, cassettes, floppies, notebooks. Now we are having different platforms for keeping the data, GCP, Snowflake, right? Azure, right? So all these things I will explain in the coming session. Any questions now, as of now? Any questions?
Yes, sir. I have a question actually, but I don't know whether I should speak it now or at the end of the session.
You can, if it is very much personal, please speak
Yes.
separately. If it is a common thing, you can speak here, no issue.
Okay, sir. So only one question is that like means uh, for a person who is coming from the IT background or who has worked for a couple of years or maybe 1 or 2 decades or something, it is okay. But sir, don't you feel like for a person who is from a non-IT background, or leave the experience aside, who is coming from a non-IT background, if you are combining the courses into a single package, don't you feel like it will be little difficult for this person, to really understand and make a comprehensive force into it?
Yeah. I understood your question. If somebody is having a lot of experience, he's already some 35 plus, right? He's right. 30
Correct.
35 plus or maybe 40 also. He's coming from the non-IT background. So it will become too much for them. This is what your question, right?
Yes, sir.
Comprehensive. Yeah, I understood your question. See, we are not combining some Python or Java and Informatica, right? We are combining same only Informatica PowerCenter and IICS. Both are same only. They are saying, in fact, it is very much interesting for them. In fact, okay. Informatica PowerCenter, they are going to install. We are going to install and give. IICS, we are going to install and give. Right? They have to practice. We are there to support anytime. Okay. Okay. Of course. Otherwise, what they can do? Let them make a time only for Informatica PowerCenter separately. Actually, that is not needed. If today they are joining, if you are doing the practice with join session, let us do the joins in SQL. Let us do the joins in Informatica PowerCenter. Let us do the joins in IICS. Simple, right? That's what we are doing in the live session. They have to spend some 1.5 hour to 2 hour daily to practice. To take anyone, it's very, very easy. There is no codings, there is no headaches, there is nothing to worry, nothing is a burden here. It's not that much critical job at all, I'm telling. Okay. Many people who are having 10 people, 10 years, 15 years experience from the non-IT, they shifted. They are working as a service manager. They are taking care of Karnataka, taking care of a zonal manager for some company. But the problem is non-IT, they are not going to give salary more than 50,000, 60,000 if you are working as a state head also. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
That is a major drawback in the non-IT. But here, the IT people, simply after some 2 years, 3 years experience, they are drawing more than 1 lakh per month. This is a very big, wonderful thing here. Okay. And it's a very amazing thing. Okay. So anybody who is struggling in the non-IT, please call them to learn this. But never call anyone to learn Informatica PowerCenter separately, because there is no much calls for that. This course is designed in such a way it is suitable for highly experienced people. I mean, if you are having very large, but one thing I am not considering any fresher here. Minimum 1 or 2 years experience should be there. If your experience is more, that is not a problem. Anybody?
Sir, you mean to say that fresher directly from the college? What do you mean to say, right?
Yes, fresher means if they are completing the degree and they want to training. I am not giving training for them.
Okay.
I can give the training. That is not a problem for me, but they will not get the calls, right?
Correct,
That
sir.
is not fair for them, right? So whatever we have, some ethics should be there, right? So that I'm not giving training for it, but we are going to start soon. As I already told, Azure Data Factory, there is no issue. For that, it is okay. Even for fresher, that is okay. But experienced people, if they want a prestigious job, this IICS Informatica IICS Cloud Developer is a very good job. It's like a lawyer job. It's like a doctor. It's a very prestigious job. It's a long-term job. It will give the life for sure. Okay. Because we are combined in that way. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks for the clarification.
Sure. Thank you for your question. Anyone else wants to ask any question? Yeah, someone chatted here. Yeah, somebody asked the contact number. Yeah, I'll share the contact number. I already shared. Okay. Okay. Somebody asked the phone number. I already joined in some this and that itself I shared, but still I'm just sharing here the chat. Okay, any other questions, anyone, please? Just type Rishab Informatica Group in the Google. You will find our website. There you will find the phone numbers and all the contacts. And if you want, I'll share now itself. If you refer someone, it will be a very good service for others, because in the name of training, many people are simply cheating the people. That should be avoided. That's why I'm taking this training. Okay. Simply taking the training and no supports and all. So I should support. If I'm taking the training, I should give the support also. Okay. So this is what I was explaining about the competitors: Zomato, Swiggy, Ola, Uber, Samsung, LG. Okay. So if somebody is starting a business, it will grow like anything, right? They started in the Hyderabad. So other 2-3 years, it will be there in different states. It will keep on, the branches will keep on increase, right? So how to maintain the data? Okay. How will you track the data? How will you check your growth? How will you check your dangerous mode? Dangerous mode is very important. Okay. It is uninevitable. Suddenly it will come. Okay. So tomorrow some new competitor has come and he is giving in the 50% of the price. Nobody is going to purchase your product, right? That is a dangerous mode, right? For that, we have to keep the data and we have to keep on track. That's how the ETL tool is very much important, right? So what are the data? Daily selling data, customer data, employees data, okay? Like this, Google server, okay, GCP. So these are the GCP will be there. These are that they are going to keep the data. This is the data room, right? It's like a lot of hard disks, right? They will keep and they will maintain your data. Assume that there's a lot of hundreds of GB it is uploading to the Google or YouTube. Okay. How they are maintaining? By using this kind of databases only, right? Data warehouse. This is what I said. Okay. CRM, ERP, billing, flats, ETL. It is sent to the data warehouse, then it is sent to the reporting team, analytics, data mining, all these things. Okay. Hope you all understood what is the importance of ETL developer and ETL job. Okay. I will just quickly show the what are the sessions will be there, day-to-day sessions. Okay. For 45 days, what will be there? I will show that. After that, if any question, finally you can ask. Okay. So this is how the sessions will be there. The structure will be there. I will share the course content also. Still, I'm just showing here. First day introduction. Okay. Introduction will be there. Whatever the things. This is a demo session. Introduction session. Slide. Introduction session also it will be similar to this only, but few things will be there. Will be more in this. Okay. This is a demo session. Yeah. So IICS Combo SQL 5 different languages constraints. First we will go through the SQL. First day 2 we will go through the SQL. Day 3 also SQL single row functions. And day 4 we will have account creation. IICS account creation, Oracle creation, Informatica client components, all these things will be there, and IICS Combo will be there. Project architecture, Informatica PowerCenter, and quiz and Snow. Okay, in between there is a Saturday, we'll have a quiz, right? Then project architecture will be like this, okay? Project architecture, IICS, all the architectures we will show here. This is how the data will be flow, okay, in the real time. So suppose it is coming from the Oracle and ODS, there will be ODS and will flow, and finally, so here only your ETL job will be done here, okay, here. Then it will be sent to the reporting teams, data marts, accounts, marketing, HR, separately, they will see the, for that you're supporting. Without your process, it cannot be moved here. mapping logics ETL process here only will be there. Okay, so the data is coming from the source and it is moved to the ODS, and all these things we will explain on that day, right? IICS project architecture and mapping project architecture and like this. Okay, then quiz will be there, and then we will start the transmissions. A lot of transmissions will be there: filter transmission, expression transmission, router transmission, Excel file loading in IICS, different loadings. Different loadings means different loadings: indirect file loading, flat file to table, table to flat file. Okay, what is the table and all? What is everything? We'll explain, right? Then source, different transmissions. All these transmissions will transform the data based on the requirement. Okay, that is what the main important job of a ETL developer: source qualifier, transmission. Okay, for example, this is a source qualifier video of the previous batches. Okay, source qualifier.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah.
They will try to.
Okay.
Taking the after this
Source
thing. They will,
qualifier.
okay. Yeah, there is some mistake in the
See here,
SQL query.
this is the Informatica PowerCenter platform.
Mistake.
This is
Then
the
you can take source qualifier, double click, but for best you will be there.
this is the IICS platform. We are doing a parallel mapping here. Every step we are doing in the Informatica PowerCenter IICS, Informatica PowerCenter IICS. If you do like that, you will feel a lot of confidence. It will be very different. It's a very different experience. Parallelly, you do everything, then you will feel a lot of confidence. That's what we are bringing here. For example, one more thing. I will go to some other session. For example, I'll go to the joining. I'll open the video of joining. Joining. Okay.
Join means in real time the records will be separated.
First of all, we will explain what is joins, why joins. Why join is in real time. That will explain, right? Why joins we have to do, first of all. What is the real time scenario which is creating to do the joining?
A single lengthy table. Same question. Okay.
Okay, like this, we'll have different scenarios we'll show and we'll combine everything. Okay. First, we will do the joins in the SQL. Okay. See here, all this is SQL joins. Join scenario in the SQL. This is SQL. How to do the joins? SQL. Then do the joins in IICS. How to do the joins in IICS? See here, this is joiner transmission. Then PowerCenter. Joins in the PowerCenter. Okay, all the things. This is enough. Within some 1.5 or 2 hours, we are going to cover everything. You don't want to spend separately for Informatica PowerCenter, in ISQL, IICS. But all these things is very important for everyone. If you go for a job, they will be expecting the skill on all these things. PowerCenter, because migration projects, a lot of projects are migration projects. They are migrating from Informatica PowerCenter to IICS, right? In that case, you should have the complete idea on everything. Simply if you know only CDI or in IICS, no, it is not possible. You should have the good idea in SQL also. That also we will give here, okay? So whatever is needed to crack the interview, to work in the real time, we are going to give everything, right? Like this it will go, and router, everything, all the transmissions we are going to cover in all the platforms. For example, go to the union. Go to the union. We'll do the unions. Okay, in SQL, we'll do the unions even in the PowerCenter, IICS, everything, right? SCD, everything, SCD1, SCD2, everything will be there. SCD1, 2, 3. So we will do the SCD in the Informatica PowerCenter, we will do the SCD in IICS, SCD1, 2, everything will do in the IICS. What is the differences between the Informatica PowerCenter and IICS? Everything is important. Reusable concepts, okay? Reusable concept means maplet. How to do the maplet? Everything in the Informatica PowerCenter, IICS. Lookup, we'll do the lookup even in the Informatica PowerCenter and IICS. CDC, change data capture. Performance tuning, sessions in the Informatica PowerCenter, IICS. Workflow level task flow in IICS, workflow in PowerCenter. That is only the naming conventions will be different, but the concept is same. Okay. For example, I'll go to the workflow task. Workflow level task.
Bank. Okay. So this is the flexible and non-reusable.
Task flows.
We can use it for both option for sessions.
This is IICS,
What
this is the
is this?
PowerCenter.
Standalone email task.
All the tasks we'll bring here.
Aggregated,
Okay.
it's another team, right?
All the important sessions, we will cover everything. Macros, AWS GCP connection, interview question and answers and discussions, and CI, completely CI will be there. Okay. CI session alone, it will be 10 days. CI, CDI, everything will be there in this. See, CDI, CI, this is CI 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. For example, these are CI introduction video.
And they are all will have that.
Okay. Okay, whether we explain about everything, it will be
So
some 10 sessions will be there every day, 1.5 hour, right? So any other question anyone wants to know about our session? Or any other comments? This is not possible, it's difficult. If you think like that, please let me know.
Sir, you have not talked specifically about the fee structure, sir, still.
Yes. Yeah. I'm just coming to the point. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
This
sir.
is nothing to worry. It's just 9,600. That's it. 9,600 for everything. 9,600. But definitely my class is worth of more than 40,000. But why we are keeping such less fees? Because we have to balance with everyone. Okay. Some rich people also will be there. I cannot charge separately for them. Some people will be poor. We cannot charge separately for them. Let us make a common fees. In market, only for Informatica PowerCenter, people are charging up to 15,000, IICS 15,000, SQL 10,000, Snowflake some 5,000, 10,000 for simple topics, right? If you see like that, it is more than 45,000 worth my session is, but we are giving for less price only. It should be match for everyone. It should be affordable for everyone. Because I am focusing for most of the people who are coming from the non-IT also. Non-IT people will have very less salary only. Okay, IT people already they know what to do. Even for non-IT IT people, they want to upgrade from SQL to Informatica. Yes, please come. Okay, you are a Power BI developer, you are a Tableau developer, you want to upgrade to Informatica Cloud. Please let us come, right?
And sir, is the batches going to occur every month, or is it like means, for
2
example,
2 months.
somebody may not be available in the coming batch due to the preoccupations or something else? So
See,
can
I'll tell you one thing. Even if you miss the batch, I'm going to give the access of my IICS Combo full course. It is the best one. Okay. I'm going to give the IICS Combo full course for free. This alone, I'm charging 6,900. That I'm going to give free for the session who is going to join here. Okay. So what is there in this IICS Combo full course? If you ask, okay, if you don't have the time to attend the live session, please go through this. Okay. This is enough. for you. Simply you pay 6,900 and it is enough. For this also, we are going to give 24/7 technical support also. You watch the video anytime, you call us, we are there to support. Okay. Okay, for example, what is there in this? Same only, whatever I shown this, everything is there in this. Simply click on this courses. Go to the IICS Combo full course. So this is IICS Combo full course. 6,735. Or here also will be there. IICS Combo full course. Yeah, first itself is there, right? Get this course. Get this course. Okay, give your details and you purchase it. Okay. So this content, if you go to this content, you can see the contents here. It is having 50 plus videos. Okay, 100 plus document. I'm going to give you all the documents, whatever is I'm going to give for the live session for them also. This IICS Combo full course is simply whatever the previous batches, same recorded session. That's it. There is no different at all. Okay. So even if you miss any class, we are there to support. Even if you miss this batch, you can join free for the next batch. No doubt, no confusion, no need to pay separately. Clear, sir? Your question?
Okay, sir. It's just clear because I was actually I'm just denoting myself into it.
Yeah.
I'm not able to understand if this is the right platform to raise something, some personal questions or something like that. Because
if it is too much, of course, you are working in a non-IT, right, sir?
yeah, correct.
Simple. What is there in there? Nothing to worry. Many people are joining non-IT people only. Nothing to worry. You might be working as a service manager or somewhere, right? You might be working in banking or something, right?
Yeah, correct. In the manufacturing industry, but it is completely non-IT.
That's you want to move from non-IT to IT. Nothing. It is not a personal. It is a professional.
Yeah, exactly. So non-IT to IT, and the catchword for this is that, as you mentioned in the course at the start of the course, actually, is that like other dry subjects, there is no coding required. Actually, nothing like.
No coding, sir. Don't go for Python or Java, sir. That is not suitable for you. Exactly, it is not suitable for you. Okay.
Yes, sir. Correct.
This is exactly suitable for you. For that only, I'm doing this session at all.
Correct. And sir, any before you proceed further, sir, is there any tick mark or a flag raising on the age? Age is like means because
it should not be more than, as per me, it should not be more than 50. That's it.
And I have over 22 years of experience in various fields, including sales and marketing.
What we can do is just whatever the previous, which company is that, sir? That one?
Pardon, sir?
Which company you are working? Which company?
Sir, I am not working for the last 9 months, 10 months rather.
Okay.
I was last working
I'll give the best suggestions about the experience or anything. Okay.
Yes.
You have to convert your previous experience as IT, at least for some 5 years or 10 years. Okay. That I will give some ideas. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
that will add a very big value for your salary level and also for your career also.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. You cannot show that you are coming from a non-IT. You want to show that I am in the IT only. That is what everyone is doing. That is possible.
Yeah, that is why I was a little hesitant in the start, sir.
Nothing to worry. People are doing only. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the help. Extraordinary help, sir.
It's very easy only. Nothing to worry. Okay. It's not an offense. It's not illegal. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Nothing to worry. You are not doing anything beyond this thing. Okay. Just
because sir, in the
you are doing something, and I'll tell you frankly, in IT, more than 75% people are fake experience only. I know very well. Okay.
Yes, sir, correct. But in various other fields, I'm from an engineering background and I have procurement well over 11
degree, that is enough, sir.
Correct, sir.
Completed any degree, that is enough. Okay. So whatever I'm giving, just practice with that. I will give the access for our IICS Combo full course also parallel to this live session. Your effort, remaining you will leave to the God. That's it. No other option. Okay.
Sir, 1 second. Should I raise the final question before I?
Please go ahead, sir. Please.
It is regarding the fees. Actually, sir, how I came to your group is somebody from one of my friends. He has joined the course around before Diwali, I think this year.
Yeah, okay.
And, I don't know, I'm not sure about that, but I think before 10 days or 15 days of Deepavali, he has joined your course.
Okay.
And at that time, he called me from his hometown and told that this Hari sir from Rishab Group is holding this very fantastic type of things. You can also join in. And at that time, sir, I think he told me that they are offering some discounts. It is for a short period, like 1 day or 2 day. Uh, but at the time, I was little preoccupied with other
Yeah, I was
interviews.
given for actually the SS Combo full course only, not for the live session. Okay. So SS Combo full course, it was 6 7. That time I was giving for some 3,500. That is not
Okay.
for a live session. This is a live session. Along with that, that course will be free for this. Along with this, that is why
Okay. 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 Okay.
this
Okay, sir.
course is very easy to learn. Anyone, it is structured in such a way for the people who are coming from the non-IT only.
Yes, sir.
Before 15 years, I was also in the non-IT. I worked in non-IT. After some struggles, I came to IT. Right.
Yeah, that's
So I'm also 43 now. Okay. I know the struggles of the people who worked because I also worked as a service manager for entire Karnataka before that for Intex. Okay, I know the challenges in the but when I was the Karnataka service manager, my salary was just 48,000 only.
So that is a problem, sir, with the non-IT. Although you get recognition, you
That
get a
time
lot of.
also I had a lot of nearly 10 years experience. After 10 years experience, 15 years experience, people will not get the salary more than 40,000, 50,000. That is a major problem in the non-IT. If you ask, they will tell I'm the head for everything, right? But the salary will be less. That is the problem.
Yes, sir, correct. And then
The IT sector, they are freshers. Simply, they are an engineer, okay, a software engineer or some ETL developer or Java developer or IICS developer or something. They are drawing more than 1 lakh easily. Within
yes,
5
correct, sir.
years, 10 years, they are getting more than 1.5 to 2 lakhs salaries very easily.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah, sir.
Thank you,
It's
sir.
suitable for you. Nothing to worry. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for that help.
Yes, sir. Welcome. Anyone else? Any questions? Please raise your question. Anyone? Many of you already spoken to me. Hemalata, right? Hemalata, you are there in light, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir, I'm in line.
Yeah. How are you? How is your
Oh, yeah,
process?
fine.
Have you cracked the interview?
Yeah, I am attending interview, Hari. That's why last week
Great, great,
I
great.
agreed to communicate with you.
Okay. Is it useful?
Yeah, very nice.
Okay. Fine. So please, you have to crack the interview immediately. Then only I'll be happy. Okay.
Yes,
For that,
yes,
whatever
Hari. It's
support you
coming.
want,
That's
please let me know. We are there to support
okay.
you anytime. Okay.
Okay, Hari. Okay.
We are looking for a interviews within some 10 days. Okay. You have to crack the interview and you have to tell that.
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay.
Say
It's
that.
100% possible. You are already worked in the previous experience also is there. Definitely it is possible. Okay. So Hemalata is our previous batch student. She's going to crack the interview very soon. I wish her everything. Okay. All the best. Hemalata. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Somebody's messaged here. Chatted here. Yeah. Yeah, Sushil. Yes. So your question is that, yeah, SQL. Okay, SQL. Yes, yes, we'll cover. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. Yeah, it is included with SQL also. Yes, SQL, Informatica PowerCenter, IICS, Snowflake, like that. Sure, sure. Okay. Any other question, anyone? Please. This Zoom, other Zoom is there, that one. Any other question, anyone? Please let me know. Sure. Okay. Any doubts or any issues, please call me directly. I'll support. Okay. So we are going to start the batch within some 1 week now. Okay. Once we started, it will be daily sessions will be there. Okay. So this is the demo session, and we will have the same demo session in the evening also. Today evening also will be there. If some of your colleagues or some of your friends need to join, please for them.
Sir, evening at what time you will be having the session started?
7.
Around 7. And you will pass the information in the group?
Yes, definitely. I'll share in the group also.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So anyone else? Okay, thank you. So overall, I'll just tell you one thing. This session is suitable for anyone who is looking for a software job. If you want to come from non-IT or you want to upgrade to the next level salary from your current IT job, definitely you will get a good increment. Many people have got more than 80%, 100% increment also after this, because very much demand is there for this. There is a great thing in this. Okay. If you are a SQL developer or Power BI developer or Tableau developer, any developers, ETL developer, you become a ETL developer, it will add a very big value for your profile, and the number of calls also will be good, and it will be a prestigious job actually, really. Okay. Thank you all. I'll stop now. Okay. Thank you. I'll stop now. If any issues or any doubts, please call me directly and support. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks a lot for your time, sir. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
It was very well explained and the communication level was at its best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
You can refer others also, sir. Okay. Because
Sure.
our purpose is to support the people who are really struggling for job. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We are giving this much only for this fees that nobody is doing market. Okay. Only for if you go for Informatica PowerCenter, 15,000, IICS minimum 15,000, and SQL 10,000.
Yes,
All these things nobody is going to give in a combined mode. We are giving in a combined way. It is very much mandatory for anyone. Separately learning, there is no point. There is no calls also. You will not learn anything. This much is enough for anyone to get a job very easily.
At least, sir. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all. We'll stop the session now. Thank you all.